Does the GoPro Hero 12 have quick start like DJI? One, two, three, four, five. We're recording. The GoPro quick start. One, two, three, four, five. On the next shot, does the GoPro do this? The Hero 12, yes or no? One, and we started recording. Also, does the GoPro have a standby shutdown like DJI? GoPro, quick start again. 5 seconds, we're recording. And the shutdown is not interrupted. It's a quicker shutdown though. Does the GoPro have that instant quick start? And will it also ever get the interrupted shutdown that we could simply record again, then wait for it to start up? That is what I am trying to ask in the question.